In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Jotform account. Deleting an account online might seem straightforward, but it always helps to have a guide to walk you through the process to ensure you don't miss any important steps, especially when it involves your personal data. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Jotform website. Jotform is a popular online form builder and form creator service that many people use for a variety of purposes, from businesses collecting customer feedback to event organizers managing registrations. Whatever your reason for using Jotform, if you've decided it's time to delete your account, here's how you can do it. Start by going to Jotform's main page. As you arrive, look around for the login button. It's usually located at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on that button. This action takes you to the login screen where you have different options for signing in. If you're like many users and have linked your Jotform account with a Google account or perhaps another platform, you'll select the relevant option here. Upon successful login, head over to My Forms. This is essentially your dashboard, the control room of your Jotform activities. You can access My Forms directly from the navigation if you're already logged in or through the home page once you log in. Now it's time to locate your profile. If you direct your attention to the top right corner of your dashboard, you'll find your profile icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to find and click on the settings. This is where you can alter your account details, manage integrations, and essentially customize your Jotform experience to better suit your needs. Within settings, there's an option labeled Account. Clicking here will redirect you to a page where you can manage your Jotform account's basic information, change your password, and, relevant to our purpose today, delete your account. Now, on the account page, you'll see several menus on the left. Look for an option that says Delete My Account. It's a big step, so it's normally not too prominently displayed to avoid accidental deletions, but it should be there. Once you find it, click on it. By clicking Delete My Account, you've signaled to Jotform that you want to proceed with the deletion, but they'll ask for confirmation. This is a fail-safe to ensure you don't delete your account on a whim or by accident. When prompted, click on Yes, Delete. Clicking Yes, Delete sends a signal to Jotform to initiate the deletion of your account. This action is irreversible, meaning all your forms, data, and any associated information will be permanently removed. It's important to be certain that you indeed want to delete your account before you complete this step, because once it's done, there's no going back. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to delete your Jotform account. Deleting an online account should be simple and secure, and following this guide ensures that you don't leave any loose ends. Remember, it's always a good practice to review the accounts you have online periodically and close any that you no longer use to help safeguard your online privacy and security. Whether you're tidying up your digital footprint or simply moving away from services you no longer use, knowing how to properly close your accounts is essential. We hope this guide has helped make the process of deleting your Jotform account a bit easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.